You're wondering, is the OKP K3 right for you? Let's unbox it, let's show you how it works, and let's let you decide if it's the best option for your home. Inside is going to be a 2000 Pascal suction power Robovacuum that is 3 inches or 2.99 inches tall to be exact. And this is everything you get inside of the box. First, you'll be receiving the unit itself. It's going to be coming with a sticker on top. It's just going to walk you through how to set this up. First, you're going to remove the protective film. 2, you're going to install the side brush rolls that we've already installed inside. You're going to place this in a docking station, which you generally want about 3 feet of clearance on each side, and you're going to be turning it on with downloading the app. This is what the charging base looks like. It's a nondescript charging base with a cleaning tool up top. You just plug it into the wall. There's no place to wrap up your cord, but it's very simple to use and your unit will be able to find it very quickly. So when you open it, that hole is going to house a 500 milliliter waste bin and you have your power on and off. This is very similar design to the OKP K2. And here is the filter. If you need to open and empty your dustbin, you just pull it off to the side, you open it, and then you can empty everything out. And I recommend you do that after every session just because of how the mouth here is open, so things can spill out if it shakes or you pick it up. So just make sure to empty that every single session. And if you want to remove the filter, just pop this out and now suddenly you have access to the filter. Well, let's talk about the obvious physical differences between the K2 and the K3, and let's talk about all the other differences as well. Both are going to be about the same size. There's no real difference in size. There is a difference in the design language. So you notice that the OKP K3 is going to have the smooth top. Well, the K2 has more of a, I guess I would call this like a Honda type of design versus a Toyota design, which is more simple. The power button is going to be a little bit different. You have a trapezoid shape versus a circle shape on the K3. When you spin them around, when you look at the underbodies, they're going to be pretty much the same here. You have, both are coming with the 18.8 volts. Both are going to be coming with 11.4 watt amp inputs, but the K2 is operating on 1800 Pascal while the K3 is operating on 2000 Pascal. So they both use the FreeMove 2.0 technology, which is allowing it to have improved and efficient pathing so that it can traverse your home or the room faster. And that's because even though these don't come with smart mapping, so they don't have memory to memorize the room layout, they have the improved algo, which is going to be behaving similarly. So in our testing, do I notice a difference or real difference between something like this and a Robovacuum or a Roborock or a iRobot or anything like that which has smart mapping? Probably, definitely, not really. Because I only noticed that maybe smart mapping allows it to remember obstacles or remember areas better. But in terms of overall cleaning time, not that much. Also, this is still coming with the same battery as the K2. So we have it set up. This is the K3. We're just going to click on that. And it's going to show you your cleaning time is 0. Your battery percentage is 38%. And your cleaning area is 0. These numbers will get reset after every cleaning session. Remember, this does not come with any memory. So it's not going to remember exactly what you did before. Here, it will record your sessions, but it will not be able to read out everything in this page. Now you could turn it on. You also have the ability to put it on standby mode. You have it on smart auto, and you have the charging base button to return it back to base. Here you have the ability to add in your third-party controls and change the name. So on the bottom here, it's going to give you access to all the major functions. So you have it on smart charging base. It can go into a bow configuration, wall, follow. This is also spiral where it goes like this around. It's going to go into a manual mode, and you can go into your settings where it can control the suction power from low, middle, high. You also have the Seek Robot, cleaning record, and timer. Don't think that you don't see schedule here, so you don't think you have it. It does exist, it's just called timer. So we just press wall follow. We're going to press smart. Actually, we're just going to let it go back to its charging base. So it's going to go back to its base. And now that it's back at its base, if I wanted to go out one more time, all I need to do is either switch it off, or I could switch it on, or I could plus it on smart, which is going to put it on auto, and it's going to go out and vacuum the space according to the Free Move 2.0 technology. Let's take a look at how it works. After 100 sessions on my K2 and about 20 sessions on my K3, what I've learned is that the time that it takes the K3 to vacuum your floor is going to be similar to a iRobot 694. It's going to be similar to a Roborock E5. And because of the smaller size, these are 11 inches in diameter, as you see, one on top of the other. They're also only 3 inches tall. And because they are 3 inches tall and so small, they work in a lot of smaller apartments, smaller homes. So if you live in a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, you don't need a super high-powered 300-minute robo vacuum. This is going to be one of the best options, in my opinion, because it has the power to pick up. It can sweep every single day. The only real manual task you have to do is just to open it and empty the dustbin after every 1 or 2 sessions, depending on how full it is. And you get to utilize it with the OKP app. So if you put that in all combination together, I believe that the OKP K3 is a very, very good value, especially when you consider that it is very similar to the OKP K2. It just comes with a little bit more power. So pick which one is going to be better for you. Remember, the key differences here are that the OKP K2 is going to be slightly less powerful, but almost everything across the board is the same between the K3 and K2, except for the motor. So thanks for watching, everybody. This is David with the French Glow, showcasing to you our K3. I'll catch you next time. Bye, bye, bye.